So I can show you, right? All of you can have a look. This is by chapter. So the day we discuss, a few questions on it. So today, hold on, still got people outside there. And then we go to see another chapter. This is all KSSM latest format. So we have done like Form 4 chapter, quite many of them. So today I'll pick another few more chapters. You see, wow, set chapter, you're that, this one I told you that I want to discuss this chapter, right? So can we start objective question for this network in graph theory? I'll mix up objective and subjective today so that you know chapter by chapter like this one, how to solve, right? So that's the thing. I want you to tell me what is your answer. Okay, on the spot, test your R so that you all can have a better idea on it, right? And you won't have any problem with it as well, and you can solve easily. So over here, I need to ask you what is your answer. Seems like some of you are still, sleeping, haven't wake up fully. So perhaps you need to tell me, okay, so that I know what you're doing and I know you are having nice fruitful plan over here. Okay, I saw 5 of your friends give the answer already. So the first question, the answer will be very good. I saw Jella, Wayne, Yicheng, Sham, Sudley, Loki, give donkey. Very good. All correct. Which of the following situation cannot be modeled as a weighted graph? Answer is this. Why? School administration organization chart. Why you need to use weighted graph? So funny that, you got no any flow at all. Like you see, like one location to another location, there's a flow over there. But here, it's just organization chart. You're not able to link your principal and then after that to PK1, PK2, PK3, your school, teachers and so on. So weighted graph, more towards like how many kilometer, they put the weight, right? Pemberat, for example, the time, and then they put the pemberat as the weight or the kilometer or the mass or the hours, all these things. Very good, Brian, as well. Now, question number 2. Which of the following is a simple graph? Please tell me your answer so that I know you can do it easily. Without any problem. So I want to see what is your answer. So everyone, you just type up. So that I know you can do or cannot do. Right? Over here, I saw Isaac, Arman, Sham, Yicheng, Loki, Brian. Okay. All give the answer A. Very good. It's correct. Which of the following is a simple graph? Answer is A. Simple graph does not have loop, does not have the multiple edges, and also don't have the direction. Simple graph is just like this. Okay. Next question, number 3. Please tell me what is your answer. So that I know that is your answer easily. Okay, and your answer, I saw Isaiah, Sham, Yi Cheng, Lo, Yi, Arman, Shet, Yi, Wei, Ni gave the answer C, and others gave, or Ming Brand gave B. Answer is C. Why is that a mistake? Why you choose B? Why? Because you see, the sum of degrees, the formula equals to 2 times number of edges. 2 darab dengan bilangan sisi. How many edges see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 40. Okay, so those who have forgotten this chapter, I told you this where I want to discuss this one today. Okay, another question. Tell me, what is your answer? Just ABCD. I see some of you haven't responded to me. Not sure you can do or cannot do. Just type out. I urge all of you be more active. Okay, I only saw 10% give the answer. But some of you give C, some of you give D. C or D? A lot of people say donkey, and only a few say C. And the answer is donkey. Why? Subgraph.
E and C didn't connected from the diagram form.
Very good. Well done, Brian. Okay, good. So if you choose C, you have to know why it is not. Okay, this is a subgraph. This is a subgraph. And why is this appear? You buka mata besar-besar, mana ada garis ini? So answer is donkey. Okay, still got people say C. Donkey lah answer. Number 5. What is your answer for this? Okay. Who else? What's the answer? Those still not giving answer, please quickly. Okay, very good. So some of you got the answer. So I saw, oh, everyone say C, 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 or only a few say donkey. So answer will be C. Correct, you are right. The answer will be C. A to C, C to D, correct? This is the most optimum. Optimum means could be the shortest, can be the cheapest, you know, in terms of like optimum, this word, you have to understand what does it mean, okay? So the answer is C, because 3 plus 6, 9. Okay, from A to D, A to D, if you go like that, that's 12. Or you go 5 plus 2 plus 6, also even more longer. So C is the number 5 answer is C, right? Yeah. Okay, good. Now, subjective question. If let's say come out in paper 2, bahagian A, so it's quite straightforward. Can you all please jot it down and try to do it now? And it's very easy. Don't make mistake. Because this chapter is very, very new. That's why I spend more time to teach you, because some of your school teacher maybe didn't teach you no completely, or maybe you need more help. I'm not sure. You just need to be aware. Okay, so the answer will
Because
be
sometimes so long I didn't do, I forgotten.
forgotten. I see. No worry, we'll discuss. Min, Natasha, Isaac, Arman, Sham, Yi Cheng. Okay, Jala, Baini. The graph is alive. Is it on that one? That just now, right? So just now the question. That's right. No, it doesn't mean the longer. The age means more kilometer. No, no, not really. Okay, you have to add up the optimum. Just now the question your friends say, right? You have to check carefully. So this one, vertices means how many dots, right? The point, got 5. But they ask you to state the number, right? Not to ask you to write down the label. So ages got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that 8? Yeah. Degrees, the total degrees, so you take number of ages times 2, so 16. Remember? That's about how you see the question. Okay, everyone, question number 2. This one, I want you to do it properly without any mistake again. Right? Only one friend can draw, not all of you. Okay. Your friend don't know how to do this, huh? Okay, let's see over here the question. Draw 2, 3 at the answer space. Right, 2, 3. You know what is 3? 3 must fulfill the condition. Okay, you must know to be a tree, kalau nak jadi pokok, kamu kena tahu, kena memenuhi syarat ini. The number of edges equals to number of vertex minus 1. Bilangan sisi tepi sama dengan bilangan bucu tolak 1. So when you want to copy, when you want to draw it out, I see some of you don't know how to do. So everyone, question, answer. You can have, you know, all the points. You must have all the points, and then you try to rearrange. You got P, you got Q, correct or not? You got R, you got S, you got T, and you got U, right? Got 6 points. You must draw how many sides? Kalau ada 6 bucu vertex, you have to get how many edges? 5, right? You have to draw 5 edges. How to draw 5 edges? 1, to connect them, you cannot leave it hanging there. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Again, you draw the same location for the point Q, PQR, and then T, and then S, and then U. So you have to know how to connect them. 1, 2, without letting them hanging on. Or different one, you can see yourself. 1, 2, 3. And then for 1, 2, 3, 4. The different tree lah, don't make it the same. The tree must be not the same. Yeah, so you must know you have to get 5. Since you got 6 vertices minus 1, you should get 5 wedges. Okay, 5 edges. I go and say the KFC wedges. Okay, 5 edges. Okay, 5 edges are not wedges. 5 edges. 2, 3 diagram. Yeah. And draw the 2 subgraph. I told you very simple. You just the marking scheme will have many types of answer as long as you can accept, all the diagram, okay, in this flow, TUS. Another one, maybe you can choose another part, another portion. There's no right or wrong as long as you copy part of it. And then you can see PQT, U. Something like that lah, huh? You just, a bit chat, okay? You copy either here, you can take out this as subgraph, so many ways. There's no right or wrong, right? Because subgraph is just as long as you maintain the points, location, and also, okay, how you see the whole thing easily, right? Okay, now continue. Next question. Okay, so some of you need to practice this. Can take a triangle shape? Yes, 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 triangle. You mean this one, QTUS, yeah? But you don't go and add a line by yourself. You must really exactly the same as, the diagram. Okay, don't go and suka hati tambah satu tepi yang tidak terdapat dalam graf asal itu. Okay, so this question, I want you to study again because this chapter is very, very new. I can foresee it will come out in your exam, like, testing you this and that. Okay, done, ready, as I say. Okay, let's check the answer. See what is the um, any problem that you have. Draw a simple graph. If you just look at it, the answer, okay, would be like, what is that called? You have to connect them, A, B, C, D. So you can put A here, connect to B here, right? A, B. And then they got AC, BC, and then BD. So this is the point C. You can connect them. And then as well as BD, we'll just join here, BD. Okay, so draw two subgraph. What you can see is this one, I told you just now, you just cut and paste. You can cut any portion, okay? Yep, which is like this. You can have another portion A and C as well to connect. Very simple, right? And label properly lah. So can be any other answer. Maybe like this part, and also can. So just do it, right? Not much problem. Okay, if let's say come out in paper 2 bagian B, this is a good question you must try. Okay, so all of you must really do it well and don't make any mistake over here. Oops. Okay. Okay. So you managed to done. Okay, very good. Most of you give the answer already. Very good. Okay. Anyone want to add on your answer? One more minute. Everyone must do this type of question easily without any problem.
Sir, you so hurriedly typing what? Typing an urgent email.
Well, you can hear,
I can hear.
no, I'm actually quite urgent. You know why? I'm settling some very, very important issues at the same time because I'm like, yeah, I have to take charge of an education group. So the new intake timetable will need to be distributed by today. If not, the competitors are around everywhere, online lah, physical lah. So my decision is so important, will affect a lot of teachers' salary for 1 year. So I have to make a lot of things, especially, yeah, because I'm the CEO of an education group. So my time is so limited. Okay, yeah, my time is so limited. I have to do a lot of things in a single day itself. Yeah, don't worry, I'll still make sure that your score, okay. Because now, yeah, related to all, standard one and standard four and five, six, form one, form two, form three, form four, form five, and form six, all timetables must be out today. And IGCSE, and then I got all the best teachers in my education center. My what is it called? My teachers are very, very good. They are like considered one of the top lah in Malaysia. I'm also teaching, of course. Although I manage the group, but I also need to teach them. I need to teach students. I have classes lah, right? So that's right. Sometimes this is the very crucial time. October actually is the crucial time because we have new intake registration ready. Because we'll start our new intake in December. Not easy,
Really not
next
easy.
time, you think your school principal also only teach 1, 2 classes, right? Because she has to manage so many things.
Yeah.
So, but I have to teach many classes at the same time manage them. So different. Yeah. So that's right. I have to reduce my classes also in future. Yeah, lah, come to management position.
Maybe sir
Well,
need to find a girlfriend.
I sacrificed already, lor. Cannot, lor. So sad, right?
You're still young.
Still young, Brian, very
Yeah.
funny lah, you. Well,
My
I
picture also prove that I'm in date lah.
hopefully,
Waving no already one. Cause
yeah.
I always putting my girlfriend's picture.
Oh, girlfriend. Good lah, good. You should have nice girlfriend, huh? one day?
Hong Kong, but next week I
Gong.
migrate to England.
Y'all got the distant love. Oh my God, y'all like this
A
stuff.
couple.
Wow, your friend. But always remember at the end you must get the best one now, huh?
Yeah.
For long-term purpose. Because sometimes love is very, very. It can be the power of love that can make you grow even faster. Yeah.
Mm.
So you all got the answer correct. Yes, the shortest time answer is E to G. Check. Yes, the shortest time E to G. Okay, check. You can compare other routes. Love is blind. Yes, yes, correct. I really agree with that. Love is blind. And it can bring you to the hell if you really fell very, very deep into the love relationship. Then you're like cannot balance your career, cannot balance your family. Yeah, it will jeopardize a lot of things because that's the thing in life. We have to balance. Just like your SPM, right? You have to balance all the subject can get good result, no? If you all subject mana tahu sejarah fail. Sejarah fail or no cert, right? So you have to make it balance. So you are trained to balance your life issue and the subject matters as well, okay? So, well, question B, what is the answer? They want to go to the destination. A lot of people, they cannot understand all this word. Optimal means what? All these shortest lah, economical lah, is all the people's always like Peng Leng Zheng. 爱拼爱妻过大粒你sorry that one different nak apa nak murah lagi besar lagi di mana-mana sekeliling kamu. Ada benda macam ini ke?
Ada.
Ada.
Masa sekarang perlu ada.
Perlu ada. Oh my God, your friend. Wow, optimal course is this. You all have to check. That's why I asked you to really go through every single route. So you see, E to H to G, you compare to others lah. Which one optimal cost? Paling murah dan berbaloi. Jimat banyak. Maksud dia boleh jimat banyak dan ada beza. Okay? Because they ask you to justify your answer. A lot of people don't know how to write. So you can say can save, boleh jimat. How much if you compare to other routes? Right? If you take this 135 plus 175 is about 310. Compared to other routes at 350, yeah, I can save 40 ringgit. Can save 40 ringgit, right? And also the difference, right? Of time is 0.2 hours only. You check again, see? So sometimes it's about your life decision. Although you want to compare, yeah, sometimes you see comparison, sometimes it's hurting and suffering if you compare too much. Yeah, sometimes if compared to, we just compare with this E to G, okay? Yeah, you see, although it's like very fast, but the thing is the difference, you see, 2 hours and 3 hours. Okay lah, I just like you want to go to a place, you take the highway or you take the kampong route. But kampong route don't need to pay toll. Use highway need to pay toll. But kampong route need to have extra 0.2 hours, for example. So this is something like related to our life decision when you go to travel later on. You always find the best. So your friend asked, what is optimal? Is it like medium? No, optimal is like paling best punya decision, paling macam you dapat satu benda yang tidak dapat dijangka. Wow, sangat murah, sangat besar. Wow, just like when you want to go Shopee, Lazada, you always wait for 11.11, right? That's the best mega sales for e-commerce online store because everything is so cheap compared to other days. The same thing, but cheaper a lot. And they got delivery also cheap, you know, free delivery. Yeah, all these things, yeah, it's just the same like optimal cost. The thing is I have to wait until 11 November. I don't miss this date. Oh, when you come to all the online shopping, right? So you must know all these things because it save a lot. Yeah, if you want to buy something online, yeah, that's the best date, okay, compared to other days. So everyone throw their clearance stock, all these things like stock clearance. Yeah. Okay. So the next question that I'm going to have, I'm not sure you all are good in this or not. Let me see. Okay, a lot of you still feel a bit challenging for this chapter. So one question that can make you, see how they can test you in final exam later on. Because I'm not sure your school, because this chapter, no partial question in exam. There's no partial. There's no like for you to try and others trial exam also don't have. So that's why I need to give more. Okay. So another question that will come out like in your KSSM latest syllabus. This is another bagian B question, 9 marks. So I want you all to observe carefully, study, don't make mistake. I know just now some of you make mistake earlier. You choose the wrong routes, then you cannot get the answer and don't know how to write. Okay, yeah. So I know you all are good in responding to the question by giving me the answer. So I'm going to, you know, I'm going to show you how to do it later on. You all can hear me type, oh. Hi, yeah. I'm like control center, the CEO office. I have to ting message. I ask all the staff. I have to communicate with the staff, with the admin staff, with the teachers, with the board of directors. Not easier. Okay, so it's okay. Yeah, I can do it. You can do it too. Nothing can challenge you. You just take up it and settle and make a big success for yourself. Okay, are you all doing? Oh, can make the question bigger. Hold on. How? Yeah, I know already. Maybe I just crop this one. Oh, bigger cannot see because too small, right? Maybe. Okay, then I make this one hard. This is the first question. And this is the second question. Can see, everyone? Here lah. Good. Good, welcome. Okay, you all must try because you can't get this type of question from past year. I told you already, you must do. If you don't do, you do not have enough practice for this chapter. Okay, then after that, you see they can come out in bagian B, right? And then it can be like having quite interesting way of asking. So you all have to do it properly. Can y'all do? I saw Yi Cheng very fast. He finished already. So you see, some of you very good, but some of you still taking time to do. So it's about, you see the difference between you and your friend. If compare, but just that to motivate you all also, like, because sometimes like 9 marks question, you spend 10 minutes, it's justifiable, right? So I hope that you all are aware about this. Okay, so I saw the answer from Evan as well. So Yi Cheng and Evan, Okay, can I discuss the answer? Okay, next person, Shan also. Okay, let's do the discussion here. Don't make mistake, but just see whether how you can do it correctly. Yeah. Okay, it says that this question, okay, shows 6 location in Taman Surya. So got weight. So sekarang dia bagi apa? Ada pemberat. 170, 180, all this lah. This actually represent the distance. So given that the distance between the clinic and the field is 3 times, so distance between the clinic and the field is 3 times the distance between the school and the field, right? So and 90 meters. So when you read carefully all this information, right? And 90 meter nearer compared to the distance between the school, and so you have to find out lah, like information is given, okay, whereby clinic and the field is this one, 3 times the distance between school and the field, school and the field 3 times. So if here x, here 3x, right? And 90 meter nearer compared to the distance between school and Junhao. School and Junhao. Oh, Nibari. So 90 meter nearer. So that means I can solve this already. Okay, 90 meter nearer. So will be minus, we get 180. Correct? Is it 180? And then this one will be divided by 3 lor. 180 divided by 3, so 60. So that's the idea. So I want to find the distance between clinic and the field. You just write the working in meter. And the field and the school is 180 divided by 3 is 60 meter. And B Roman 1, draw a directed graph. So you have to draw a directed graph for who? Junhao wants to go to Rashid house. Okay, how 270 minus because of this keyword 90 meter nearer. is connected. You see the end, so it's still trying to tell you clinic and field the distance is 90 meter nearer. Nearer means minus or plus. You see, that's the information. 90 meter nearer. Compare these two distance. You see, you have to take this distance and this distance compare. Nearer means you minus 90. If you go and plus, then will be 360. That's not nearer. It will be further. Understand? Do you read the information? Boleh faham tak? 90 meter lebih dekat, maksudnya kena tolak lah. Kerana dia sudah bagi kamu 270 meter untuk jarak. Yes, good. Continue. So this chapter very important, I say. So you have to know how to draw directed because there's no arrow. Tak ada anak panah kan? So you have to see carefully. So some of you did and then cannot get the answer. So you have to link from where to where? Jun house, then to clinic, and to the field, and to the Rashid's house. So 110, 180, 140. Ada? This is for the shortest distance, right? They want you to do this. That's right. You go and add up and see. This is the shortest. You can try. Junha go to school go to field go to Rashid. Or Junha go to clinic go to petrol station go to field, go to Rashid. You have to add one by one and see the routes, you know. You compare and see. This is the shortest. 110 plus 80 compared to the others. Okay. Next, find the shortest distance of her journey. So 110 plus 180 plus 140, and your answer 430. Wow, 430 meter also is considered as shortest distance. Okay, good. Can you understand? So that means this is something that I can guide you further to ensure that you got no issue in it. Okay. Okay. So if no question, then I will continue with your on next lesson. I will discuss random chapters lah, not just like this chapter alone itself. Okay, because we have to mix lah different chapters so that you can get to revise different various patterns of the question from different chapter. Okay, so this is new chapter, so you have to pay more attention onto it because yeah, your SPM confirm will have this question, right? In this bagian B, yeah, it seems easy, but it's very new, very new. Okay, any questions so far, class? Do you need more information? Like you need help? Okay, so please also let me know. Then I can discuss with you again, right? So anything you want to ask? I see you all say, okay, no question. So good. So I shall see you all next week. Okay, thank you class and take care. Bye-bye.
Sayonara, Gozamita.
Okay, 감사합니다. Welcome, Sofika, Whitney. Okay, Unki, okay, Evan, Isaac, bye, Simin, Ming, okay, Yicheng, okay, bye-bye. Welcome, Loki also. Welcome, Gan. Okay, yes, bye-bye. Bye.